Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to withdraw some cash from my account, but I'm not sure how to use the machine outside.
No problem at all. Would you like to withdraw it here at the counter instead?
Yes, please. I have my debit card and ID with me.
Perfect. Could I see both, please? How much would you like to withdraw today?
I'd like to take out $800, please.
Sure. Do you prefer smaller notes or large bills?
Smaller notes, please. It's easier for me to manage.
All right. Give me a moment while I process that. Here you go. $800, all in smaller bills. Could you please count it to make sure?
Looks good. Thank you.
You're very welcome. And if you'd like, I can also show you how to use the ATM next time. It's pretty simple.
That would be great. I'm trying to learn.
Happy to help. Have a nice day and thank you for banking with us.
Thanks, you too.